Hey my beautiful people, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to alazaesbeauty. Now if you haven't subscribed, definitely do so. Now today I wanted to do a quick little review and obviously a makeup look for fall, which I thought it was super cute, super easy. And this one I definitely want to give thanks to Dia J Beauty. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. Dia J Beauty. I love the name. And I love what it says, be your own kind of beautiful. So she sent me this on Instagram. She sent me a message. She's like, would you do a quick little review of my makeup? And I was like, of course, and I didn't want to go ahead and just throw anything out there. So I did take my time. So I've been having this for maybe like a week or so. So I apologize. I didn't want to just put it out there, just like any kind of video. I wanted to take my time and definitely show appreciation as well, You know how it is when you try to do your own makeup or even your own YouTube videos. It takes time. It's not quick and easy as people think, and I definitely will appreciate that. So, all right, so let me show you. She sent me, I thought it was super cute, which is this right there, and it opens up and it's eyeshadows. Let me show you. Cute little magnet. And I apologize for this one. I accidentally dropped it, but this is a nice maroon one. This is more like an apricot. This is more like a mustard yellow, and then we have our basic black, which is really nice. So I went ahead and created this look with this palette, and this is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, this is definitely amazing. I highly recommend this. If you guys are looking for something affordable, something with a high-end quality, definitely recommend this. Now, if you want to know kind of formula it feels like, if you guys have Jaclyn Hill, the original palette, it feels like that. It's nice and creamy, no fallout, just gorgeous, just beautiful. Love it. As for the setting powder that she did send me, which is this one right here. This one, if I open it up, it has a little thing where it has a little powder and stuff. I do admit, for me personally, I tried it the other day. I just wanted to see how it would go throughout. I did do the baking. And for my purpose, honestly, I feel like it was a little bit chalky. It wasn't horrible at all, but I feel like it was a little tad chalky just for me. So then I tried to apply it all over my face just a little bit, just say, it didn't do bad. I'll be honest, it didn't do bad. And I'm oily skin, and it did pretty good, to be honest. It did pretty good. But I'll be honest, for me personally, it's up to you. I would say give it a try, see how you like it. But for me, I would give it, I'll be honest, I will pass. I'll be honest, I will pass for this, for me personally. Compared to my Airspun that I normally use, I prefer my Airspun, to be honest, But as far as the eyeshadows, girl, you did your thing with the eyeshadows. This is really good. I love it. And I definitely appreciate you sending me this package complimentary. So definitely want to give you a shout out. Love it. All right, so if you guys want to go ahead and see how I created this look, definitely stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to her Instagram and go ahead and look up the makeup palette, which is, let me go back, I apologize, Dia J Beauty, right here, Dia J Beauty. So definitely go ahead and check her out. I'm telling you, she has such amazing makeup. Definitely give it a try, because I'm so thankful I gave this a try. I love it. To me, it is an A++++. So keep doing your thing. It's going up. All right, so stay tuned to see my makeup tutorial.